I really don't have a flying clue what I'm doing today. I kind of just stepped up my front door and hoped for the best. Hopefully, I could bring you guys something enjoyable to watch and something that I could be proud of. You know, something other than me photographing idiot drunks and climbing down waterfalls and hanging out with my friends. I want to see what I can do truly one-on-one with myself in this camera. So yeah, without further ado guys, what's going on? My name is Grim and welcome back to the vlog. Today, I'm just hanging around downtown Hamilton and living the city life. Let's go. Alright, I'm in the elevator. I'm going up to visit my grandmother. Spur of the moment choice. Let's do it. Holy crap, look at this shit. Look at that. Holy. Whoa! Holy crap! Look at this waterfall! It is insane! So I decided this video is going to contain a lot of the Hamilton nature and just sort of exploring Hamilton. So I hope you guys do enjoy. It is really loud out here with this waterfall, so pardon my screaming. Let's go. You look what it says? Look. Look, this is my sense level. Oh my gosh. What is this? Hold on. This is what I'm doing for YouTube. Holy. I don't think this is such a good idea. Rest in peace, Jake. It was great working for you guys on YouTube. Oh my God. Oh my God. Got it. I got it. I got it. I'm all good. I got it. I got it. I'm okay. I got it. 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 I'm good. Holy fucking shit. Look at that water. That is some intense shit. Let's get closer. I'm coming back up here for a second. I want to grab my big camera out. Out of all the crazy spots I've put myself in, I think this must be the #1 most stupid place I've ever gone. Like honestly, I'm about 4 feet from death. Like sure death, like here, look. Actually less than 4 feet. I am 1 foot away. I'm gonna get 2 more feet this way. Because I was 1 foot away from death. Wow, I held zero regard for my own safety. That is great to know. And I found a safer path up. Okay, so I'm not gonna die trying to get back home. I think Kenzie's taking a panoramic photo. Hey Kenzie, you taking a panoramic photo? It's too loud. It's too loud. Okay, I'm gonna... Look at my boots!
Yeah, that's easy.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm happy with how this video turned out, but I hope to have videos be 10 times better and have my editing 10 times better. Shh, phone, shh. My dad was texting me. But I can't remember what I was saying, but yeah, hopefully I can find some cool things to do and make the vlogs even more special. Because right now, they're kind of getting repetitive, and I don't want that. I don't want my videos to get repetitive. I want them to be fun to watch and different. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. Peace.